Birdies.
Do you want to go see the birds?
She knows.
Okay, quiet. Gotta be quiet. Hello. Hi. Duncan. Hi. Ooh, hi. Cookie, hi. How are you? Coco, you got no tail. Oh, Coco, you're a little worse for wear, aren't you? Hi. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Look at all your pin feathers. You're so beautiful. Hi. Good morning. Good morning, Coco. And Newman's at the doctor. You excited? Are you excited? You want to come out, Newman? Or Cookie? You want to come out? You can play it. And you're Coco's scared. It's okay, Coco. Hi.
You got pin feather too.
Look at Kiwi, how beautiful she is, Jensa.
I saw her. She's so pretty. Hi, Kiwi.
Hi, Kiwi. Hi. Let's see you, sweetie. How are you? Oh my goodness, look at those pin feathers. We're going to be busy today, aren't we?
It's Coco with no tail. Cookie? He's
Hey.
wondering where his boyfriend Newman is.
Oh my goodness.
Hi, Rue.
Hi.
Hi, Rue.
This is the life of Boba Bobo. This is the life of Boba Bobo. This is the life of Boba